Welcome to Electric Circuits Lab. Now we can see the basic diagrams which we want to study for doing these experiments. This is the AC ammeter. We can see the symbol of this AC by the symbol of sine wave here, and this is the milliammeter, and this is a DC milliammeter. Therefore there is a line which defines it is a DC current, and this is the breadboard, and here there is a connection in center as column wise and in row wise in the both ends, and here we can uh, connect the resistance, capacitance and inductance as we need. And here there is a diagram which represents there are several resistors which are connected in series, and also if we want to connect the resistance to ground also they have connected, and they have given a positive supply here. This is the breadboard connection, breadboard diagram, and this is the CRO, and this is the function generator. This is the breadboard connection diagram, and this is the probe for using it in the function generator and CRO. This is the CRO diagram, and this is DC voltmeter, and this is decayed inductance box, and this is also the decayed inductance box, and this is the function generator diagram. This is the decayed resistance box, and this is the dual RPS, that is regulated power supply, and this is another diagram for function generator, and this is the jump wire which we should use in the breadboard, and this is also the power supply, regulated power supply only, and this is also normal wire, also we can use it for breadboard connections. These are all the basic connections, and also we want to study the basic resistance color chart here. See here there is a color coding for first, in which is represented in the first column, and second color for second column, and third color for third column, and if there is only three colors we have to consider the last color as multiplier, and therefore here which if we see means the first brown color means represents 1, then the red color represents 2, and this brown is a multiplier, and therefore 10 power 1, therefore 1 2 into 10 power 1 is 120 ohm, and this is the tolerance percentage. And also we want to see the another diagram for basic resistance color coding. This is the diagram. See here, first color which represents yellow, and second color is also which represents violet, and third color it represents black, and therefore which we combinedly we can see 470, and now here there is a brown color, that is 10 power sorry, this is a red color, therefore 10 power 2, already 470 into 10 power 2 means 4 this is the brown color only, therefore 4.7 into kilo ohm, and last one is tolerance percentage of 1%. This is the basics we have to study for seeing the electric circuits lab. Thank you.